Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Isni Zuryani. Allow me to explain my scientific work entitled Analysis of Management of State Property Study Case at the Religious Court of Depok. Each government agency's asset to ensure the smooth operation of the government. These assets are used as facilities and infrastructure in providing service to the community. Most of assets belong to the state, which is given to all government agency to be managed. According to Government Regulation Number 27 of 2014, Article 1, state property is all good purchased or obtained at the expense in the state budget and derived from other legal acquisition. In connection with this, the management of state property must be done properly and correctly. This is stated in Government Regulation Number 27 of 2014. Management of state property include planning need and budgeting, procurement, use, utilization, security and maintenance, assessment, transfer, eradication, elimination, administration and development, supervision and control. This research was conducted at one of the government agencies, namely the Depok Religious Court, to find a match between the management carried out the Depok Religious Court with Government Regulation Number 27 of 2014. In this regard, the study aimed to guarantee that state property used by the Depok Religious Court is by its mandate and function. Also, the study discussed the problem that exists in the management cycle of state property. 1. Planning for the needs and budgeting of state property in the Religious Court of Depok, compiled by the head of the General and Finance Subdivision based on the needs of the goods in the Budget Work Plan, or RKA, supported by the TOR, or Term of Reference, and RAB, or Cost Budget Details. Depok Religious Court, as the power user of goods, conveyed the proposal for the State Property Requirement Plan, or RKBMN, to the Bandung High Religious Court to be forwarded to the Ministry of Finance, which will then be stipulated in the Budget Implementation and Release, or DIPA. 2. The procurement of state property in the Depok Religious Court is not done every year, but depends on the needs. If you need goods, the Depok Religious Court buy these goods through provider of goods whose purchase and payment have evidence to be reported to the center. 3. Use of state property in the Depok Religious Court is used to support operational activities in providing service to the community. 4. Utilization of state property in the Depok Religious Court was not carried out because the goods were still used to provide service to the community. 5. Security of state property is done by recording into the goods book and using CCTV to provide security for the goods, while the cost of maintaining state property is charged to the state budget. 6. The valuation of state property has used the Management and Accounting Information System of State Property, or SIMAK-BMN, based on the acquisition price, with the result of the assessment in the form of a balance record in the financial statement of the Religious Court of Depok. 7. The Depok Religious Court does not transfer the state property to another party. 8. Annihilation of state property had never been carried out by the Depok Religious Court. 9. Abolition of state property in the Depok Religious Court only in the 2017 fiscal year. The item written off are air conditioner and computers with the age of 10 years. 10. Bookkeeping at the Depok Religious Court is conducted monthly, semesterly, and annually that has been reported to the Bandung High Court of Religion. In 2017, the inventory of state property in the Depok Religious Court was carried out based on the codification of goods. 11. Coaching is given in the form of guidance and training that is conducted regularly. Also, The supervision and control of state property are carried out through the CIMAC-BIM and application. Based on the description, the results obtained in this study are the management of state property in the Depok religious court as a whole is appropriate, but 3 stages have not been implemented from the 11th stage of management of state property based on government regulation number 27 of 2014. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.